Wait, can I make some jelly babies? Can I?
Yes.
I'm gonna make quite a lot of babies.
Little babies. Jelly babies.
Yeah, jelly babies, not proper babies.
How do you make proper babies when you're only her age? Can't tell you.
Personal information. Well, I could. Wait, Daddy, am I allowed to? Say, can you nod or do something? Okay, I'm 8.
Yeah.
She's 5.
She's 3. He's really not ready. Oh, baby.
Wait, you're not 8, you're 5. Do you want to see an up close of my small thingy? School. I'm gonna make like 2 of everything.
It's all yellow. Yeah, get out. Okay. What do you make it good? And I used to all of these out of the
Hey. Okay, do you want to see my next baby thing? The 2 babies.
I just need to put some lines on here before you will have an absolutely
This
really
baby is
close
a
up.
bit weird, but what's that supposed to be?
You know that there's sometimes
Wait,
lines.
is that the new Play-Doh?
Yeah?
You're not allowed to mix it.
Still not mixed. It's just on there, can
Because it's really loose. Like,
It is so loose.
don't press it.
I'm not pressing mine, just getting it spread.
Okay, do that.
So here's a bit close up. Oh yeah.
You're giving me much.
I'm gonna probably put some ice.
I think this is my 4th baby thing. My 4th. My 4th.
That looks quite nice, don't you think? Yeah, let's make some.
Okay, yeah, that's my 4th. Okay, so now
I'm probably gonna make some icing.
Kaylee, you're so unorganized.
Look what I've done. Hi. Doing our video. My mum's it. That's my hand.
Wait, can I have this like waffle colour one? Wait, is that part of that?
Yeah?
Oh, sorry. Let me give you a bit. No, you don't need a tart. Not like tart. Okay, be more organised. Much more organised. I'm going to make like a waffle thing out of this. I love making waffles.
Yeah, and we love it.
Like, not real waffles, but
We love eating real waffles.
yeah. We have some. We can show you them.
Oh, that looks lovely. See how it's coming out?
Wow, that's nice.
It's nice and white. Ow, that hurts.
This is a very thin waffle. Okay, this
This is
makes it a bit thicker.
Right now, let's
Like
cut
add
it.
layers. Sort of.
You know, it's got
Let's make a sort of thick colour. Oh, hi, you've come to me again. Hi.
a square.
It's not square, it's not a rectangle. I think it's pretty bad, but you say it's good.